here we are at the print shop printing 2.0. There are some changes I wanted to do, but I didn't want to do them while the event was going on. But just a few things to show you. You can see there's some Lend-Lease icons. Oh, and Trans-Siberian Railway, Japan, and 2 sea zones, 2 territories. There's much more, but you're gonna have to wait until I do the vid, because this was just a little teaser, But and also to show you how it prints, in case you ever been to go to the printers to get your map printed. This is what it does. All right, guys. Well, we'll see you soon. All right, bye bye.